Hello peeps, welcome to my channel, Shari's Passion Fluid Art. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be working on a 24 by 24 Gallery Wrap 3 canvas. And I'm going to be doing a straight pour. I was trying to find a see-through pouring tool, but unfortunately I don't have one that's clean. It's soaking. And of course, yes, I'm going to be doing it in blues. Okay, so you have to be, when you're pouring in your colors, the last color that you pour is what's going to come out first. So the first color that you pour in is going to be the color that is going to be on the top. So I have phthalo blue, then I have sky blue. I was pouring it down the side. I'm trying to let you see it, but it's so hard. Oops, I'm spilling it everywhere. And then I have indigo blue. And then I have titanium white by Amsterdam. And then I have this pink portrait, and I'm going from above and just pouring it in. Then start out with the colors that I originally started out with. Duh, that makes no sense, Sherry. So here's the playset. I can never say. I can say it first time and then I get it screwed up. Plathian blue. Then the sky blue. And then I forgot to put that blue in. Darn it. And that's sky blue with a little phthalo blue mixed into it. Shoot, I can't believe, oh yeah, I can't believe it. Then I am gonna put white in here before, because I don't want the white to be the dominant color on the top. And then the indigo. Then I'm pouring more on my pink, portrait pink, the last of it. Then back again to that blue. This blue. I think I have too much paint. I don't think I know it. Oh, shoot. So that's what it looks like in the bowl. So hopefully, but I think this is way too much paint. So it's also heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna and then you want to go slower at your center, not that this is on the center right now. Oh, it's coming out that side. Oh. Okay, well, I'm gonna work it anyway. Isn't that pretty in there though? Let me see. torch it. And you know, I'm just gonna use it right in here. I probably shouldn't, but I'm gonna. Okay, I knew I was gonna wreck it, so. I thought they did that in that one. Finally supposed to get some nice weather tomorrow, so I had to fix that center because I absolutely don't like that. But I like the design. I think the design's cool. Not too crazy about the center, but we'll see after I do the tilting. Oh, good lord. This is gonna kill my arm because there's a lot of paint. Okay, I'm just gonna try and go slowly around so I can spread out the paint more because I don't want to lose the design. Or much as I'm gonna lose the design, but I mean, I don't want to lose all of it. I just gotta sit down for a second. Oh, my wrist is killing me. I'm gonna see what I want to do, or might want to do before I finish doing that side. I definitely have to fix that because I don't like that. Okay, now I'm gonna roll it off to that corner, lift it up, get it more to the center, and then drop it down over this side. Oh, to the right-hand side, right corner. Bring it back. Oh my gosh. Bring it over to this corner. Flip it back up. Oh, good Lord, I hate that center. hold of this. Bring it back down to this corner. And bring it back up. Bring it to the center. I still have too much paint on it. On my shoulder. I'm just gonna let it, to see how much movement I have still with the paint, because I know I have too much still on here. Okay, now I gotta bring it back to the center. Back to this corner. I don't even care about that center, because I'm not crazy about it, so oops. Nothing like being bring it back down. Actually, I don't even care if I lose. I don't want to lose all the paint, because then it won't. But I'm not crazy about not gonna. Sorry guys, I know I'm blocking you out. Okay, I like that design better. I know that my center is way off. That I originally had for a center. Crazy design. And I got paint everywhere. I think that's pretty cool. And the lines stayed straight. You can see the lines. They all stayed straight. That's because I used thicker paint, which is so hot. So it makes the canvas way more heavy too. But there are really some cool spots on here. I don't like that at all. God, I don't like that. So when I don't like something, what I'm going to try and do is do a swipe there, a small swipe there to knock that off, because I don't like, again, I don't like that at all, that center. Well, it's not the center now, but it's over there. So let me just get this one, Floetrol. Put it on my the back of my spatula. Spread it around. Catch the bubbles. Okay. I'm gonna go like this. Ooh, so pretty. Glad I did that, because I didn't like that center at all. Well, again, it's not the center, it went off. I mean, I moved it down at it because I couldn't stand what it looked like. So let me go, I'm just gonna see if I can move a teeny bit of that and have like a little tip that I just ruined. Wow, I love that. That's very cool. Let me see. Oh, I got paint everywhere. I love this cool lacing. I'm just gonna if you don't like something, that's all you have to do is do what I'm doing. Well, you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. Everybody has their own thing, but I think that came out really cool. Okay, let me take off my gloves so I can show you. And then I gotta make sure my sides are covered. Very, very cool, I think. Oops, sorry. This, I think, is so cool. I'm so glad I did that. And I love these intricate lines. Hopefully you're seeing this. I think it came out very cool. Okay, thanks guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Have an awesome day now. Thank you. Bye.